All extension cords are the same, right? Wrong.
Cody, clap for the camera.
So let's talk about extension cords, guys. There's a lot of different types, and you probably have a homeowner cord or a contractor grade cord at home, but this Eastwood heavy duty extension cord, this is what you really need to do the job right and power your tools safely and for a long time. When you buy a homeowner or contractor grade cord, you're typically getting a PVC coated cord. This will work, it'll get the job done, it's going to power your welder or grinder at home, but it's not going to last a long time. The PVC is going to become brittle, it's going to crack, and then once it cracks, now oil can get inside. And then you just have little 16 or 14 gauge wires inside. It's not going to last a long time. If you check out the Eastwood heavy duty extension cord, we got true 12 gauge conductors inside, and they're rubber coated, and then the outside is also a rubber jacket. This is going to be durable, it's going to last for years, and it'll power anything you need to in your shop. To pick one of these up for yourself, head over to eastwood.com.